my channel, and you are watching a 4-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see, the same hotel location is the nearby attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Accommodation of the hotel is outstanding. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Two categories of rooms are available and you can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several rooms are available on hotels and various rooms and rating policy. You are charged to reviews and provided in the description. If you are facing any problem, so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.